Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to turn off autoplay on YouTube. So first you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your YouTube application or your YouTube application is up to date. So open your YouTube and in case you wanted to turn off or get rid with this autoplay on YouTube, so the very first thing you should do is to simply go to your YouTube application. So let's just say that you are listening to a music and you want to turn off or get rid of this autoplay here on YouTube, especially in your mobile. So the very first thing to do here is to exit first this video or this song. Now you tap any of the features here like the settings, you cannot see turn off autoplay. Okay, so you have to exit this part right here and go back to your YouTube homepage or feed. And then the next thing to do is to locate your profile. At the bottom right corner, tap this one. And then here you have to click the gear icon at the top right corner. Now you will see different options here, but what you're going to do next is to click autoplay. That is below data saving. And then here you have to make sure that this one is turned off. Because if you turn this one on, and then another place or another video will play automatically. So make sure that you turn this one off. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.